They burning off wildland?
I don't know. Something huge is burning out there.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. What is that? It's pretty big. Pretty big. I mean, from way back here, like, you know. Holy crap. I'm telling you, video does nothing justice, man. I swear.
Wow. It's causing its own cumulus cloud.
Yeah, it is causing its own cumulus cloud. Man, what is out there? Well, Little Mountain.
I don't know. It looks like this side of the lake, though. It doesn't look like it's out on the, you know.
Is Little Mountain on the other side of those mountains that are on the lake?
Mountains out there.
Yeah, like Western Sea and all that, where we used to go race. That's so crazy, man.
Huh.
Be better coming up. Holy shit, that cloud. Wow. Find out later, I guess, but that is pretty wild, I gotta say. Out from Chris Demmer in Ogden, Utah.